Isebe lezemfundo kwiphondo laKwaZulu Natal libanqumamisile abafundi ababini kwisiganeko sevideo nesidale isanxwe kumaqonga onxibelelwano nalapha kubonakala umntwana wesikolo ebetha omnye umfundi.
Last night we sent the letters of suspension for the two learners who were bullying the victim. Today they will be delivered to them, and we have also directed the SGB to conclude the disciplinary hearing within 7 days.
Elisebe lezemfundo kweliphondo lithi lifuna le video isuswe kumaqonga onxibelelwano.
We have also instructed our legal services to basically make contact with the people who are managing social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter to see if this video cannot be removed completely from the social media space while we are acting also on the side of the department. And we did that precisely because, you know, when things are posted on Facebook as a way of example, it can remind you even 4 or 5 years later. And we don't want the child to remain with that scar and that picture of abuse. Even when she's an adult, if this video remains on social media, it will always remind her of this unfortunate incident.
Umphathiso wezemfundo kweliphondo umnumzana kwaZimshengu uthi bathumele ugqirha abajongene noxinzelelo lwengqondo kwikhaya lexhoba.
We are also sending the psychologist to help the victim and the family of the victim, but also our legal services will be assisting the family to open the case of attack with an intention to do previous bodily harm.
Elisebe libongoza abafundi ukuba bangashicileli video xa iziganeko zikumila kunje zisehla mabazinqande.